Hi beauties! Welcome back to Sorelle Beauty. I'm Michelle, the founder of Sorelle Beauty, and today we're diving into how to build the perfect skincare routine for your skin type. Whether you have oily, dry, combination, or sensitive skin, I'll break it all down for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Sorelle Beauty family. Let's jump in. 6. Before we jump into products and routines, we need to talk about skin types. Understanding your skin type is the foundation of any effective skincare regimen. Knowing your skin type is the key to unlocking a skincare routine that truly works for you. It's not just about using popular products, but about using the right ones for your unique skin. It helps you pick the right products and avoid irritation or breakouts. Using the wrong products can lead to a host of issues, from dryness to excessive oiliness, and even acne. So how do you figure out your skin type? It's simpler than you might think. Pay attention to how your skin feels and behaves. Does it feel tight after washing? Or does it get shiny throughout the day? Constant shine in your T-zone? You might have oily skin. Oily skin can be prone to breakouts and needs products that control oil without stripping moisture. Tight or flaky skin? You might have dry skin. Dry skin often feels rough and can benefit from rich, hydrating products. Oily T-zone but dry elsewhere? Combination skin. This type needs a balanced approach, targeting different areas with specific products. Quick to react and turn red? Sensitive skin. Sensitive skin requires gentle, soothing products to avoid irritation. Balanced skin? Lucky you, that's normal skin. Normal skin can handle a variety of products but still needs proper care to maintain its balance. Now that we've got the skin type basics down, it's time to take things up a notch. Let's dive into building your skincare routine. A well-rounded routine can make all the difference. There are 4 essential steps: cleanse, treat, moisturize, and protect. Each step plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy skin. First up, cleansing. It's about washing away dirt, oil, and makeup. This step preps your skin for the rest of your routine. Oily skin? Use a foaming or gel-based cleanser. These types help to control excess oil and prevent breakouts. Dry skin? Stick with a creamy, hydrating cleanser. It will help to maintain your skin's moisture balance. Sensitive skin? Go for a gentle, fragrance-free option. This minimizes irritation and keeps your skin calm. Next, we treat. This step targets your specific skin concerns, whether it's acne, dryness, or redness. Breakouts? Look for products with salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide. These ingredients help to clear up acne and prevent future breakouts. Dryness? Hyaluronic acid is your new best friend. It draws moisture into the skin, keeping it plump and hydrated. Redness or irritation? Calming serums with niacinamide or aloe vera can soothe and reduce inflammation. Now let's talk about moisturizer. Everyone needs it. It locks in hydration and creates a protective barrier. Oily skin? Go for something lightweight and oil-free. This prevents clogging pores while keeping your skin hydrated. Dry skin? Indulge in a rich, nourishing cream. It will provide the deep hydration your skin craves. Sensitive skin? Stick to simple, non-comedogenic formulas. These are less likely to cause irritation or breakouts. Last but not least, sunscreen. Yes, even on cloudy days. Sunscreen is essential for protecting your skin from harmful UV rays. It shields your skin from harmful UV rays, preventing premature aging and skin cancer. Look for a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher. This ensures you're protected from both UVA and UVB rays. Apply it every single morning and reapply throughout the day. If you're spending time outdoors, your skin will thank you. Remember, listening to your skin's needs is key. Always patch test new products before using them all over your face. Apply a small amount to a discrete area and wait 24 hours. Introduce new products slowly. Start with one new product, let your skin adjust, then add another. Adjust your routine based on the seasons. You might need a richer moisturizer in winter or a lighter serum in summer. 8. Navigating skincare can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Your skin is unique and there's no one-size-fits-all solution. If you need personalized advice, visit me at Sorelle Beauty in Suisun City. You can also reach out through our website or social media. My team and I are here to answer your questions and offer support. Let's achieve your skincare goals together. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate each and every one of you for taking the time to join me today. I hope this video gave you the confidence to start or refine your skincare routine. Remember, taking care of your skin is a journey, and every step you take is progress. Let me know in the comments, What's your skin type? And what's the biggest challenge you face with skincare? I love reading your comments and learning about your experiences. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, share it with someone who could use these tips. Sharing is caring, right? Your support means the world to me and helps this community grow. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Take care and keep glowing.